Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ha kalai tarik ubanai jili o arhajar arpawar kala penong ya kajingya lang kajongka kabalalong ha Congress Bhavan ha kajingya dan nang o President ke Mpcc uba Vincent H. Pala unong yalam ka AICC na Delhi Umanish Chatra Secretary ke Mpcc uba Charles Marngar bat ki arhut ki Working President jong ka jilla kata uba pensngan NCM bat ka Deborah Marak lembat ki wei Haba Aijingkren Chikilat Pathai Kubor, Umanish Chatrat, Ulakren Halor Komno ban Pynthymmai ya Rukom Pyntreikam jong ka Seng, Kabala Shem ya Karai, Hakajing ya Kando lang ha Udaipur.
Today we have a meeting regarding the system, how to implement the decision taken, which have taken in our meeting in Raipur. So, Udaipur. So, I'll be happy to hand over to Manish Chatterjee, who is in charge, to brief you what we have discussed today, because he has briefed us how to implement the system here in Meghalaya and what we are planning to do. So I hand over to Manish Chatterjee.
Thank you, Palaji. Thank you, friends, and thank you for coming in this rainy day. And today we held this one-day workshop regarding Nav Sankalp Shivir, which was held in Udaipur a few weeks back, and then later on there was a meeting of General Secretaries of AICC which took place in Delhi under leadership of our GS organization, Mr. Venugopal ji, asking to ensure the implementation part and the briefing part in all these states by respective General Secretaries. So today was that basically, and apart from that we interacted amongst ourselves pertaining to election. Also there were certain things which we discussed, and it was a very fruitful and a healthy meeting. We don't believe in money and muscle power. We believe in the power of people and the love of the people, and they will show it at the time of casting their vote. I had told this earlier also, some people had some problem with specific person, but Mr. Pala has not come from Delhi. You all have to understand. He has been in the cabinet in the Government of India, Union Government of India, number one. And he is a third time MP. So you don't become an MP like this. In spite of we getting less number of seats in 2019, he still ensured out of those 52 seats which we got. And he was one of the victorious candidates. So he is not anybody coming from Delhi. He is a man of Meghalaya. He is your own man.